Are you ready for a super powerful, crazy powerful method to manifest a specific person to text you or to call you or to email you using the law of attraction? This really works. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach, and today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, and we're flying in the direction of your dreams and goals. We believe you deserve the money you desire, the love you crave, and the health and happiness that you depend upon. And so when you love somebody, when you crave somebody, when you want to hear from somebody, and you're just aching inside, this may be the method you just want to use because it's super powerful. It's a little meditation, and rather than actually do the meditation, I'm just going to describe the steps you need to take. If you'll do the steps, I promise you, you will get incredible results. Now, here's just a handful of people. Look on the screen. A handful of people that have received incredible results, received the text message that they wanted to receive from somebody specific using one of our other methods that we have on our channel. I want you to think of this one thought. This is so important. If they can do it, so can you. If they can get the text message from a specific person, from someone they love, from someone they care about, from someone they want to hear from, if they can do it, so can you. I want that thought to permeate your mind because that's the truth. The next thought I want you to have is that this is going to be easy. You see, sometimes people will say to me, well, Robert, we got in a terrible fight and he blocked me and I can't get a hold of him and he's never going to talk to me again. He's never going to talk to me. I promise you, Robert, there's nothing we can do. And I go, wait a minute. That's a belief. That's not a fact. That's your belief. Change the belief and the reality changes. That's how the law of attraction works, high flyers. And so the person will change their belief, and then guess what happens? I get a text at 11 o'clock at night or at midnight. I got one at 2 in the morning. And guess what? Robert, he texted me. Robert, she texted me. I'm so excited. I can't believe it. We're going to talk tomorrow. It's a good feeling. It's a good feeling to feel love come together. It's a good feeling. It's a great feeling when love comes together, when all the ego stuff gets out of the way and somebody picks up the phone and calls someone else or texts them. Okay, so it does not matter what your circumstances are or the reason that they blocked you. They're going to text you. And maybe they didn't block you at all. Maybe they're just not in communication. Maybe they're ghosting you. It doesn't matter, high flyers. Say it with me. It doesn't matter. Post it down below. It doesn't matter. Okay, first thing you must do. Are you ready? Here's the formula. Write it down. You must suspend your disbelief. You know, when you walk into a movie theater and you see Spider-Man, flying through the sky, you don't say to yourself, well, people can't do that. You suspend your disbelief and you go with it. Spider-Man can fly with the spider web, right? So you suspend your disbelief. I want you to do that now. Just like walking into a movie theater. Suspend your disbelief. Next, find a nice chair. I don't want you lying down. I want you sitting down. Calm your mind. Do the fourfold breath. It's what they call box breathing. In through the nose. Hold it for 4 seconds. Out through the mouth. Let it go for 4 seconds, remain empty, and then back in through your nose. I'd like you to do this for a minimum of about 2 minutes. Now, you don't need to time yourself. just until your body starts to feel relaxed and calm. Calm and relaxed. It's a good feeling. Now, you're sitting down, you're relaxed, you're doing the 4-fold breath. Here's your next step. So high flyers, your next step is to be still, to be calm, but bring your mind into a state of certainty. Remember, we talked about suspending your disbelief. Be absolutely certain that the phone call or text message that you desire, it's already happening. It's already on its way. Now, in your mind, pick up your hand, have your phone, and see the name of the person in your mind's eye. If you can't see it, if you're not good at visualizing, just simply know that it's there. But kind of visualize that you're holding your phone and you see the name of the person. Now, as you see the name of the person, high flyers, I want you to feel excited. I want you to feel energy like, oh, wow, okay, that's Larry, that's Sally, that's Tisha, whatever, whoever it is. See their name, get excited. Now, feel the phone vibrate or hear a noise in your mind. See the text coming through. There's a text message. You can see it coming through on your phone. Feel it. Be excited about it. And now, before you answer, bring your phone, your invisible phone, in between your hands like so. I'm grateful to infinite source energy, to the universe, for this phone call, for this text message, for this email. I am absolutely grateful. And now open your eyes and let it go. Don't think about it and get up off your chair and do something exciting. Do something fun. Go out and go for a run. Do some yoga. Go hiking. Go for a bike ride. But get your mind off of it. Let it go and let it flow. It's happening. You're going to receive the text message that you desire from a specific person. Here's some other videos I know will help you on your law of attraction journey.